Hi, this is Laurel. Welcome back to Ask Laurel. And how do you find a tax attorney that teaches and really kind of subscribes to the programs and the process we teach? Number one, you don't need an attorney, you need a tax specialist. So you're looking more for a CPA, not an attorney. So there are CPA attorneys in combination, right, that are tax attorneys. They are very difficult to find. So I would go the CPA and tax, route. Inside actually a lot of my wealth team programs, and we could put the link up, is how do you interview a wealth team member? And the number one place I say is interview my team. So I have worked for 20 years to find some of the best folks, and I've got 5-10 of the best, tax strategy CPAs in the country. And so it's not just what I teach, it's what multimillionaires teach. It's there's only two ways to live. You could live in the W-2, file taxes April 15th world, or you can live a corporate life where your company's making money, you get the deductions. So I would interview and talk to our teams, and then you could go back to your local community. See, I don't think that person has to be local. They need to be nationally licensed, but they don't need to be local to you. And I have a lot of people all over the world that will fly in to talk to some of our teams. So our teams, we have 2 people in Phoenix, we have 1 in California, another one California, Nevada, another one Nevada, Montana. So there are a lot of West Coast just because we live this direction, but there are some other great ones. Like we've got great counsel in Canada and Australia. So they're there. I just think the corrected word would be don't look for an attorney necessarily, look for a tax strategist and interview our team. And we'll put another link out to the questions that I ask my wealth team members. One of the most obvious ones, and a lot of you miss it, is when you're talking to any expert, who is their current client? Is that client a match to who you want to be? A lot of times these, folks, all they're doing is 1040 EZs. That's not what our people do, right? They're doing high-level C Corp and S Corp and trust, tax strategies. So it's a totally different structure. So you do not want to be, here's what I'll tell you, you do not want to be the only client like that your person gets to cut their teeth on, meaning get started. You do not want to train them on your dime. So get somebody who's got a lot of experience and already knows how to do the returns that you're looking for.